All right, go ahead and start. I'm gonna start this clock right here, so we'll do some sets. All right, Tanya, go ahead and start. Go ahead and start. Nice and easy. What's wrong? What? Do it.
That's fine.
All right, just in case. All right, Tanya, go ahead and go. Start the clock over again. All right. Try 1 to 2 minutes. Let's see how that feels, Tanya. One hand, two hands, walking in, walking out. Just think about all that body fat, Tanya. It ain't going nowhere. Seconds, Tanya. Take your time for a second if you need to. One hand, two hands, walk in, walk backwards, slide them, whatever you want to do, Tanya. Think full body. Full body. We'll do 1 minute, Tanya. 45. Five, 4, 3, 2, relax. All right, good. Take that off. One down. Rocking and shocking, Tanya. Rocking and shocking. There you go. All righty. Go ahead and grab the shake it. Go ahead and press this right now. So when it says like 1 minute, let me know. All right, Tanya? Holy moly, this was weird.
I know.
How you doing, Tanya? Oh, I love it though. It's something different. I love the challenge. It's like it wants to go backwards. Oh, Tanya, I love this. What's that, man?
46. 55. 1 minute.
Okay. 2 more times, Tanya. 2 more times. Yes! I was like, what the heck is that? My body was saying. It needs to be a little looser. Yeah, right there. All right. Woo! 42 minutes, Tanya. 42 minutes. Oh my goodness. These are some drills. I love these drills. Okay. We want to do some boxing, Tanya, just for you to know how to hold the mitts and do some kicks too. So I can show you how to do my kicks. All right, you ready? You got it? You did? What's wrong? In, out. You got it? Okay. All right, Tanya. Oh. Let's do it. Go ahead and get set, Tanya. I'll push the clock right now. Clock started. Clock started. Take your time, Tanya. Take your time and work that body. It's just me and you. 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Come on, Tanya. Push it. Push it. It's just me and you. Ain't nobody working harder than us. Nobody's working harder than us, Tanya. 40 seconds, 40 seconds, Tanya. 40 seconds. Last 10, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 minute. Holy moly. Holy moly. One more time. One. 343 calories. I love that. I remember in class, I would burn over 1,000 calories. And I wouldn't even be doing nothing. Because I would yell at you guys and, come on, let's go. So remember when I was like, all right guys, I want everybody to scream. Ready, 1, 2, scream. Ah. No, scream. Alright. Okay. Start the clock in a second, Tanya. I like this, Tanya. I haven't had this for a while. I had it for a while. I'm like, let me use it again. One more. One more. All right, Tanya, you started? Everything good?
Oh. Here, you press here?
Yeah, the right one. The right one. Yeah, the right one.
Right?
Yeah, your right one. Yeah, that one.
Go. 40. And more.
Holy moly. Holy moly. All right. Those are done. Drills are done, Tanya. Oh my God. 47 minutes. Let's do some kicks, some boxes, and then we're done, Tanya. And then we're done. Actually, I wanted to do that. Oh, it's all right. We'll do some boxes. All right. Good job, Tanya. You ready? Or are you going to get some water? Huh?
All right.
All right. Why don't you get the gloves on, the mitts, so you know how I hit, or you know how somebody will hit you. Because this is a workout for you too, Tanya. Go ahead and put it on. It's on. I will take that one out. Sit down. All right. Take that one and make sure it's right over here, Tanya. It's right over your wrist like that. So it goes tight. Because this one doesn't move, but this side does. See that? All right. Make sure they're not too tight. I got my blue gloves. Rock it and shock it. All righty, Tanya. We're almost done. We're almost done. Feel good? For the ass? Dude, if that's hurting, Tanya, I'm good. It takes a lot to hurt those ones. All right, Tanya. Let's do maybe 5 minutes on the boxing ones. See how they feel. And we're almost done. We are almost done. All right, we're 9 minutes in. Feel good? Okay, hands up nice and easy, and I'm just letting you just feel this. So you know how to hit me and hit you then. Hold on. Now my thing. Just for right now, it's just hitting my side, that's all. I will put it up, but time. It's already been 47 minutes. I ain't counting none of this. All right. 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. I'm not clinching hard right now. I just want to know, what I would know, so you know how to do it. So nice and easy, okay? So come over here, Mark. So nice and easy. So really try to like when I come hit me, when I hit you. So like hit me too. Like there you go.
Oh, you want me to?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because this way you get it and then I get hit harder. Okay, so nice thing. So almost. You're like.
I wasn't afraid with Christine, but you're stronger than her.
But you can match me though, Tanya. Okay, come on, you keep backing up. I gotta follow you, but if you go backwards, that's not good. Okay? There we go. See that noise? That's what I want.
Oh, this one is easy. The other ones.
Which one are the blue ones?
No, with the black one, it's hard.
Oh, is it really?
No,
Oh, no worry. We'll get those on too, Tanya. All right. See that? One. Sorry. One. Good. Okay, so go around every time. If it's too much, tell me. I'm not really hitting you hard. Okay? Now I'm going to go more straighter. Feel the difference from straighter
I feel the pain.
to this right here?
Yes.
So straighter power. Just hit me. Just hit me. That, no, I try speed. Nice. Okay, let's try a combination now. I'm going to do a jab, so I'm going to do 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So nice and easy, okay? So 1. So it's 1, 2. There you go. Boom. Hit me. You got it. So you keep backing up. Every time you back up, I can't hit you. That means I got to go forward. Okay, so you got to hit me, so I can feel that one. Okay, so nice. There you go. See, I told you to work out for both of us. Thank you, Tanya. Good. 3, 4, 5. Nice and easy. Control. 6, 7, 8. Last one. Good job, Tanya. Good. The other side. Remember when I did it?
It's the same, but it's different. I feel.
No, that. Come on. Ooh, I felt that, Tanya. Like I know. So other side now. Then our right leg forward. Okay, good. So see what I mean, Tanya? So 1, 1, 2. Good. 6. There you go, Tanya. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Tanya. Good job. You getting it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do some combinations. You ready? We'll do this one, then we'll do the kicks. I want to do the kicks though. Okay, so nice and easy. Let's do 2s. No, not yet though. No, we'll do the kicks on the back, on the big one.
Okay.
So let's do 2s. Okay. So I'm gonna do 1, 1. Some more speed. Okay. So. See how they sound? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Get ready. 3. You good? 2. One more time now. Jab cross if you can. Now speed. Jab, so speed. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. That's what I want, Tanya, with you, with me. I feel a little bit. I felt them. That's what I'm trying to say, Tanya. Another kind. You hold them. I hold them. So you're take them off. Take them off, Tanya. Take them off. Good job. Okay, Tanya. 5 minutes.
Yeah, you see, with this
Big
one,
weight one's on. Yes.
try to make a noise.
I will, Tanya.
Try to make a noise. I think with those.
It's a loud
the
thump.
those is harder.
It's okay.
That's it.
We are good. You're a girl, Tanya. You're not supposed to have muscle. You're not supposed to. God made you to have babies, and that's it. That's why He didn't.
I wanted to hear the same noise with this.
Good job, buddy. Come on in. We're almost done. Good job, guys, Bobby. All right. Last one. Okay, you ready? So make sure you got power, make sure they're tight. Make sure they're tight. Go on, just warm up, Bobby. Take your time, stretch, do what you got. I'm not sure what time it is right now.
9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock. Okay, we're almost 8 o'clock. All right, we're done. Okay, good. So hold them because it's gonna. See, I could. No. Yes, same thing. Same thing on this one because if you don't, I'm gonna go to the. And I just got that. See how that is? I'm holding it tight, so I got to hit right in the middle. See how that is? So that's why with me, I got to make those super tight. And go right away, all the way to that bottom part, way at the bottom. Curve it in. There you go. All the way down. There you go. All the way down. Good? I'll just. There you go. Yes, that's when you get mad. Get me. All right, Tanya. Same thing. Oh, yes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do the right hand only. Right hand only. Right. Wait. This one.
My right?
Okay, come on. Right one. So good one. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Other side, 1 and 2. Good. Other side, upside. Good. Come to me. 6. Good. 6. 3, 2, switch hands. Other side. Ooh, tight. Good. Woo! All right, Tanya. Knees, kicks, then we're done. Let's try that one. Try it. And go down. Or it's go down. Go down. I'm not going to get you hurt. Do one at a time so you got more power. There you go. And same thing, Tanya. Good. So you hit me more down so I can map your speed. Good? All right, last one, kicks. Let's go to the side like that. Let's go to the side. You're getting sweaty. I might have you guys come work some wraps. That may be next Monday.
I didn't get these when I.
Yeah, you gotta hit them hard. You gotta hit them hard. No worries. All right. Ready? Low kicks. So just put them out, and I'll tell you where to move just like you told me. Okay, so now just stay there, Tanya. Kind of go up like this one. So oh my God. Okay? I'll go slow. So yeah, so really. There you go. There you go. So you just stay there and go down, not forward. So I know where to kick you. Right there. Right there, good. 4, 3, ow. 2, 1 more, ah. It burns. It burns, Tanya. It burns. It burns. It's okay, don't worry. We're gonna go home. We're gonna take a nice shower. Don't worry. You gotta talk to your muscles. You talk to your plants. You talk to your dogs. You talk to your kids. Okay, nice and Tanya. I suck on this side. Good job, Tanya. We're done.